From my tropical rainforest to the wildlife garden or a Welsh dell. Now the time has come for me to open the doors of my conservatory. So the tropical rainforest is merging into a wildlife garden where the dragonflies, butterflies, frogs, newts, bumblebees. It is a paradise for them. Actually, this garden is designated to them. The main theme of this garden is the ferns. It's like sitting by a pond bank. The movement of the water is the key element of this garden. So much are happening in such a short time. Every plant tries its best, blooming out of its heart, just to catch up with the light. Long-awaited spring has come. Now it's merging into a warm summer. The second part of my garden had more roses. Eventually, the ferns have taken it over. But I love it. Ferns are one of my favorites. It always reminds me of a forest. This is our fireplace. When the autumn comes, we sit there. My garden is my kingdom. It is a paradise for me, as well as for the wildlife.